All right, so today I'm gonna share with you the story about how we started a chocolate factory, and it's for Dean, and he's gonna leave and then watch this later. So, how did we end up opening a 7-figure chocolate factory? The very start of it was Millie and I had a coffee shop, opened in November 2019, and 4 months after that, COVID happened. Classic. Bojo, Boris Johnson, for those of you not in the UK, Prime Minister at the time, told everyone you've got to go home, shut your shops, and go lock down, basically. So, at the time in the chocolate factory, we were just in the coffee shop, we were trying to just generate more revenue. So we came up with the idea of doing party cones. Because, we were running events at the coffee shop. I think we had like a crochet club, we had an art club, language club. And so Millie was like, let's make party cones for kids events. So while I was in Costco picking up some supplies for the shop, we picked up 7 kilos of Haribo. This cost us £18 and bought that in around October time, didn't touch it. No, sorry, December time. Didn't touch it again because we got busy in the coffee shop and all that. So we took it home with us. And within the first 2 weeks of lockdown, the weather was beautiful. We went from working 100 hours a week to not working, and it was amazing. I actually went some learning, tried to learn about property investment, and sent out a few letters to see if I could buy some houses for options. Anyway, after that, had this Haribo sat in my bedroom, and I said to Millie, you know how to sell online, please can you just sell this? She was like, yeah. And I was like, no, sell it today. So she did, and it was an accident. It was hilarious. She sold it in the only way she knew how, which was posting it on Facebook, and was like, hey guys, who wants to help me sell some sweets? She took a picture of it in a box. Awful picture. If I have any sort of marketing budget in the future, I'll show you, but I'm not doing that. And we accidentally sold too much in our first day. I think we did about £100. And we were like, oh, oops. So we ordered some more in. We opened up a Shopify store with like the free trial. We had people pay there and then for the stuff that we had, but when we accidentally sold too much, they were buying on pre-order. So then we ordered in more, and then we made it and we sent it out, and then we accidentally sold too much again. So first order we had 7 kilos, then we ordered 18, then we ordered 27 kilos, and this was all within the first week. And I think on our 11th day, we did our first £1,000 day, and it was like, what the hell is happening? This is wild. All from my mum's kitchen. And then we started experimenting with chocolate bars, because in the coffee shop, we did these things called decadent hot chocolates. And imagine a pint of hot chocolate with all of the toppings, cream, toasted marshmallows, cookies, sauce, flakes, chocolate. It was amazing. And the secret to a good hot chocolate, by the way, is to melt down chocolatier quality chocolate and then steam it up with milk. So we had this chocolatier quality chocolate, and we thought, well, let's make those decadent hot chocolates as chocolate bars. And the moment we did that, people loved it. So yeah, we ended up doing about £15,000 in our first month. We had everything priced at, we took a couple of minutes to figure out how much do we need to price these at to include VAT, labour time, cost of fulfillment, all that sort of stuff. So we made about 50% profit in that first month just selling sweets online. It was a crazy experience, and in that time we had to then go to the that was Dean. Well, I'll show you where he is. Wait a minute, I'll come over here. There he is, sorting himself out. We had to... God, I've lost my thoughts now. We're good. Yeah, bloody well can't remember. That's going to be it for today. The rest of this comes another time, I guess. I'm going out for dinner now. And there's a great story behind this chocolate factory. It ends up with some of the most amazing experiences in my life, which one day you'll hear about. But there you go. Wasn't expecting to share that today. Asked the friends of, what do you want to know? And they said that. So here we go. See you tomorrow.